Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Okay, so it's a driveway and a patio cleaning job today. Let's have a quick look at the driveway. Joints filled with moss, not many weeds, can't see any black spot, but no doubt there probably will be some. Okay, moving on. So we've got this little side bit to do in front of the window. Let's have a look at the patio now. Right, standard looking concrete patio. Pointing's not too bad around here. It is missing some bits, but it's some of it's intact. As we move up to here, it's almost non-existent. The customer has brushed gravel into the joints, and that's going to be a bit of a problem for using the 18-inch whirlaway, because it tends to kick it up and shoot the stones all over the place, and I don't want to be smashing a window, so I might have to get the old 12-inch whirlaway out, because that's got a little nylon skirt on it. Okay, so this should come up really nice. Join me at the end and we'll have a look. Cheers. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm using the 18-inch whirlaway attached to a 21 litre a minute Honda. I've got my whirlaway set up in a way that will absolutely rip all this moss out, no problem at all. So yeah, let's crack on. So there's the customer. She's just come back from walking her little dog. Right, so I'm just going to have a quick rinse down, because I don't want all that slop going down the drainage channel that's in front of that garage door. Right, let's get this swept up. Okay, let's get these edges cleaned up. Right, let's get this rinsed down and then we'll make a start round the back. Okay, let's make a start on the patio. So I'll just shift this barbecue and clean underneath. Yep, so as suspected, the stones are kicking up something bad, so I'm going to swap over to the 12-inch whirl away, and that'll stop the stones flying everywhere. Right, that's the whirl away finished with. Let's get these edges cleaned up. Right, I've got to be careful with this plant and pot because it's tied to the trellis. No, I can't move that without damaging the plant, so I'm just going to leave that one. Right, so I'm just going to soak these joints with some weed killer. So the customer's just popped her head out and asked me if I'd like a cup of tea. Right, that block paving's dry. Let's get the sand back in. So just to let you know, I did weed kill this block paving. That was done after I did the patio, but unfortunately it didn't show up on the GoPro for some reason. Okay, so some of you might have noticed that I haven't done a soft wash treatment on the front or the back. This was one of those very rare occasions where there just wasn't any black spot. So when I quoted for the job, I did include the black spot treatment, but obviously that's not needed, so I've reduced the price quite significantly, and the customer was extremely impressed and happy that I had pointed that out and saved us some money. So yeah, happy days. Right, I'll just give this a quick tidy up with a leaf blower and then I'm done.